Hi, my name is Brittany and I'm a 4th year heavy diesel apprentice at Komatsu. Before I started with Komatsu, I had done some work experience with heavy equipment and I also completed a pre-trade just to build up my base knowledge. Since starting my apprenticeship, I have loved working with various people and learning different skills from each of the technicians. Komatsu also provides many trade pathways as well as offers courses in addition to your apprenticeship, such as business management, which can come in handy later on. With Komatsu, I have also had the opportunity to travel to Australia each year as a part of my training to access state-of-the-art training facilities. I'm proud to say that I was a finalist for the Empowering Women in Trades Awards as a Apprentice of the Year nominee. Because of this honour, I was invited to attend the Australian Grand Prix in Melbourne with the Williams Racing Formula 1 team. This was honestly such an unreal experience that I got through Komatsu. I would 100% recommend doing an apprenticeship with Komatsu because you get to meet great people and enjoy new experiences with a whole lot of support along the way.